Hey everyone, so this is our new question which is pre-order, post-order and Inorder in one traversal. So as we know the pre-order is node, left and right. In order we visit left, node and then right. And in post-order we visit left first, then right, then root, then right, then node. So if we draw these, then if we start from here, which is our root, so we first encounter 1, then encounter 7, and then encounter 2. So we encounter these three as 1 1. So post order pre-order will be 1 7 2 at first. Now as to have two null nodes, so let me build those null nodes too. Null, null, here null, here null, here also two nulls. There will be only one null, and in this side there will be also one null. So when we are here, we had traversed. Now we traversed again. So this will be 2. So in order we 2, and then we again traverse meet it at 3 times. So here will be also 2. Now we move here. We encountered it second time. So we will be writing 7. Now we will be 6 is encountered first time. 6. 5. Now we have encountered 5 first time. We'll be writing 5. And 5 is encountered second time. And then third time also. So here will also be 5. And here will also be 5. Now we move to 6. 6 is encountered second time. So 6 will be written here. Then we will be traversing to 11. 11 will be right here. Now 11 will be second and third time. So second and third time. So now we will be traversing to 6. 6 is encountered third time. Now we will be at 7. 7 is encountered third time. Now we will be at 1. 1 is encountered 2 times. Now we will be here at 9. 9 is encountered first time. Now 9 is encountered second time. Now we will be here. Then again a 9 is encountered, which is first time. Then we will be reached here. 5, which is encountered first time. Now 5 is encountered second time and third time. So 5 will be written here and 5 will be written here. Now we will be at 9, which is second time and third time. Second time and third time. Now we are at this. It will be encountered third time. Now we are at 1, which is encountered third time. Okay, so uh, this will be our pre-order, in-order, and post-order. So what we are seeing that now I have tell you our approach in this explanation method that the pre-order is having the frequency of 1, while in-order is having frequency of 2, and similarly post-order is having frequency of 3. So this will be our approach to use this. Like whenever we are traversing 1, then we will be gradually increasing. When we are traversing it at first time, then we will be having frequency as first. When we reach there at second time, we will be increasing by its plus plus, and for the third we will be again calling it plus plus. So this is will be our approach. So what we have done here is we have taken three vectors, pre, in, and pose. So what we having? Pre, in, and pose three vectors, and in stack S, which will be storing node and integer, which will be our frequency as its key values. Now we having that S dot push make pair root and 1. Now we will be pushing root and 1 into this stack. So 1, comma 1. And now we will enter this while loop. So here we having a pair P which is storing s dot top, which is 1, comma 1. Okay, so if p dot second equal to 1, yes, p dot second is equal to 1. So what we'll be doing is pre dot pushback p dot first values. P's first value is 1, so we will be pushing back into pre. Okay, now p dot second plus plus. So this will be becoming 2. Okay, now p dot second has plus plus. Now if p dot first has left, yes, it has left, which is 7, and so push it into the stack as written here, the p dot first left, which is 7 and 1. We are at this line. Okay, so what we'll be doing is, now we have no else if no else. So where while s is not empty, yes, else is not empty, s is not empty, so where p will be now having p equal to s dot top, which is 7 and 1. Okay, so 7 and 1. So we have here is p dot, if p dot second equal to 1. Yes, p dot second equal to 1. So we will be pushing 7 there. And we will be pre dot push back first value. We have pushed it. Now p dot second is equal to 2. Okay, it will become 2. Now if p dot first has left, yes, 7 has left, which is 2. So we will be pushing 2 into the stack as 2, comma 1. So you see, we have pre-order has frequency as 1, in order has frequency as 2, and post order has frequency as 3. So at first we will be doing a first level order, first traversal, which is for pre-order. So we have pushed 7, and now for 2 it will also check that 2 second is equal to 1, so it will push 2 here. So we have pushed 2 here and 2 second plus plus. 2 second, which it will be pointing to as 2 and 1. So 2's second will become 2. So now what will happen is, if p dot first has left, does 2 have a left? No, 2 does not have a left, as we see here. Okay, so we will be not moving further to this. Now what will happen? As 2 has incremented its value to 2, so what will happen is, if p dot second equal to 1, no, p dot second is not equal to 1. Now if p dot second is equal to 2, yes, p dot second is equal to 2, so we will be pushing this into our in order stack, in order vector. Okay, so 2 is pushed here, and what we'll be doing is p dot second plus plus, we have incremented it to 3. And if p dot first has right, now does 2 have a right? No. As we see here, 2 has a not right, 2 has a null leaf, null child. Okay. So what will we do is s dot push make pair p dot first right 1. No, we will be not doing this. So what will again do? Now if we check if p dot second is equal to 1, no. If p dot second is equal to 2, no. Now else part we have come here. Postorder dot pushback p dot first value. Now we're pushing 2 into this. See, which I have explained you previous, that at 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, we are at third. So 1, 1, 1, we have right here 1, 1, 1. When we encountered it second time, second time. When we encountered it third time, third time. Okay. So post dot pushback p is first value we have, and now s dot pop. We have to neglect it. Okay. Now is stack is empty? No, stack is not empty. Now pair node p dot p equal to s dot top. Now p is equal to s dot top, which is 7 comma 1. Now does 7 have a left? Yes, we have traversed it. Okay, so we will be now we will be increasing its p dot second to, yes. Now does 7 have a left? Yes, it have a left, but we have traversed it. Now else if we are again going to while P dot S dot top. P is as 7 2. Now else if P dot second equal to 2, yes, P has a second P has a P dot second equal to 2. Yes, 7 is equal to 2. So we have now there. We encountered it at second time. So we will be pushing this into in order. Okay. Now S dot push make pair first right. Okay, so we have pushed it into this. Now if it have a right, yes, 7 has a right, which is 6. So we are here. Now S dot push make pair 6 and 1 is now pushed into the stack. Okay, now it is pushed into stack. Now what we will be doing is we are again checking for while loop. Yes, p dot s dot top is now 6 comma 1. Now 6 has a frequency of 1, so we will be pushing it into pre-order. Now we are like this. Now 6 is, does 6 have a left? Yes, 6 have a left, which is 5, and its frequency will be 1. I have to increase it as 2, but it has pushed this. So now what we'll be doing is just 5. Now 5 is pointing P. Now 5 is P. 5 comma 1. Now if P dot second is equal to 1, yes. Now we will be writing 5 here. So we are reached there. Now we also know that 5 has 2 null leaves. So it will be 1, 2, and 3. So if you have a time, so do dry run it and you will be finding it out as 7, 5, and 5. So now it will be popped back from there. 5 is will be popped back. Now we will be at 6. Now 6 is right will be traversed. 11, which is now 6 is again traversed. So 6 will be pushed into in order. And now we have done this. Now we will be moving to its right, which is 11. Now 11 and 1 is pushed into stack. Okay, so we will be writing 11 there. Okay, now what will we have? We also see that here is 2 null leaves present. So it will 1, 2, and 3. So this will this will be pushed into in order and post order. Okay, now if you do this with your hands and with your pen and copy, you will understand it clearly. So with this, I've been stopping my video here, and you make sure you will try run it on your own in your pen, paper, and copy. So thank you everyone. Do try run it.